2016 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, heated seats, power driver's seat, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, climate control, center armrest, side airbag, power brakes, power door locks, clock, security system. Come take a test drive today.